Sahari.
That's our guide.
Yeah.
Been working in the mine since 23 years.
You want to try carry?
It's way too heavy.
Wow, it's really heavy.
Yeah.
We are Abhi and Ivanka. We have been traveling and exploring some exciting places around the world and are currently traveling Indonesia. After a breathtaking trek to Mt Bromo, we are stoked to climb the largest crater lake in the world, which is also an active volcano, Mount Ijen. Known for its acidic blue lake, sulfur miners and blue fire, Mount Ijen is something you just cannot miss when traveling Indonesia. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, click like and follow us on Instagram. Now let's explore this natural wonder in East Java in all its glory.
$3.45.
Sahari.
Sahari.
That's our guide.
Yeah.
He's really funny.
Miner.
Working in the mine since 23 years. Tough guy.
As we began our climb up to Mount Ijen, Sahari shared how challenging his job as a sulfur miner is.
You too. You've been doing this for 23 years.
Yeah. In the past, from the fucking until CRATER, we work carry sulfur. Usually.
How dangerous is it, the sulfur?
Yeah, really dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Hard job. Because a lot of smoke from the sulfur. One brother,
Yeah.
4 people. Me just only one, number one.
Yeah.
I long job in here because I love puppy.
4 people in your family
Yeah.
doing the mine work.
Yeah.
Good morning. We're climbing Mount Ijen. Today it was 3 a.m. waking up time again. We walked already since 1.5 hours and it's really steep. I hope we're almost there to show you the great views.
Mount Ijen is the largest crater lake in the world. They have sulfur miners here who work in very extreme conditions with sulfur and all the toxin gases that are present in this crater. Our guide Sahari has been working in this mine since 23 years with 4 members of his family, and he climbs this mountain every single day. Takes about 2 hours. We are at 2,000 meters.
And when we finally reached the mouth of the crater, there it was, the majestic Mount Ijen crater lake. Characterized by its distinct blue color, the highly acidic lake is surrounded by the giant walls of the crater on all sides. We kept climbing up to get an even better view, and it just kept getting better.
From the south, storming along.
Walking along the edge of the giant crater, you have to be very careful. If you have the energy and the will to climb up all the way, you will be rewarded with scenery you will not have seen ever before in your life.
Of a brighter sun that could make their shadows run. All of their hopes were doomed, 'cause for us they're intruders, and all of their high thoughts about us.
With the smoke from the sulfur deposits mixing with the morning clouds, mystifying the blue lake under and the never-ending valleys in the distance, we could only feel grateful and humbled to have had the opportunity to experience this fabulous part of the world. I mean, look at it.
So they're forced to crawl back into the dark.
On our hike back down, we came across a few of the miners and couldn't believe how very difficult their job is to carry this toxic heavy sulfur all the way from the lake bed until the base of the volcano.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems.
But 200 kilos per person.
Yeah.
Every person,
One
200 kilos.
person. Right.
Yes. And how many persons are there working?
Now, because lot of tourists,
Yeah.
maybe 20 to 25 until. Oh yeah. Like this.
Small workout.
You want to carry?
No, no. My neck will break for sure.
Beyond the brink of time, I will love you till I die.
It's way too heavy.
Wow, it's really heavy.
Yeah.
You could never understand.
Hope you guys liked Mount Ijen. It was an incredible experience. We even saw all the workers who mine sulfur here and got some cool drone shots. Right now we are hiking back down the mountain, which takes about 2 hours. And we are super tired. It's only 8 a.m. or 7:30, I think, something like that. And then we are gonna head over to Bali.
Yes.
So stay tuned for the next video. See you.
Delivers pain.